Hello friends, welcome to my channel Behind the Belt. Today we are going to generate an SSH key using an RSA algorithm and use it with the GitHub. This is an Ubuntu machine. For that we need to type the command. Type this command, click enter, and it'll be asking for the file name. ID_RSA is the file name. Simply you click. Since I have already generated this file, it's asking for override. I'm overriding it. I don't want any password. So I'm giving an empty password by clicking an enter, just enter. And by typing an ls, you should be able to see this file has been generated and two files as part of it. And one is a private key, another one is a public key. You need to copy the content from the public key. And log into your GitHub. Towards your right top, you will have an icon. Click on that. Under that, settings. Under that, you have SSH and GPG keys. You'll find a new key option. Click on that. Give a title. Paste that key here. Click on the add button and ensure that the key has been added. Then back to the terminal. Clear. Move to the folder where you want to download your code. So I have created a folder called ndhm and v2. Under that, we don't find any files now. So back to GitHub. Go to the repository. Under my repository, I have three repositories. Okay, click on any of the one and click on the SSH options. Copy the URL of it. Back to the terminal. Git clone. Paste that. Then automatically you'll be able to clone that repository. Now you are able to see the project which we have downloaded. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'll try to answer those. Thank you.